Good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is the Angry Poolman, where we teach you how to treat your pool and how to treat your pool man. And we're here this morning on Wednesday at the Chancla. And yes, Chancla has long ago achieved mountain stream status. And yeah, we have a little duck blast there, but yeah, the water is looking super good. We have made a few, like we've shown you before, a few landscape changes, and that's made quite a bit of difference. I get a little disconcerted sometimes. Our Hayward Aquanaut 400, he seems like he looks like one of my corgis sitting there when he's taking a nap. But you know, I got a call this morning from a viewer named Rich. Rich, thank you so much for calling. It was nice talking to you. And call all the way from Florida. Yeah, that's makes me feel like what I'm doing here actually is making a difference. So thank you. I'm keeping my voice down because it is 6:45, and let's take our chems, okay? Okay, let's take our chems, and yeah, I don't know if the GoPro picks this up, but we're still in kind of that insect mode here, where there's a lot of little bugs. Plenty of chlorine, low pH, low alkalinity, and perfect cyanuric. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and add another couple of pounds of sodium bicarbonate, but the water just looks like it's just like it is mountain stream status. It deserves it. But anyway, let's get to brushing. Since we have acceptable cyanuric, we can still add another tab. I always like adding tabs because it's a sustained, prolonged, oh crap, I didn't bring one. Okay, I'll have to go fetch one later. But either way, I don't think I want to let it ride because the tab was so small. But we're gonna brush. Yeah, I'm gonna need to replace my tickler here soon. It's wearing down. You know, believe it or not, cleaning pools really helps my golf game. A lot of very deliberate moves. Congratulations to Wyndham Clark on winning the 2023 US Open at the LA Country Club. That was pretty cool. I'm sorry for my man Ricky Fowler, but hey, there's always next year. fetch this stuff. Yeah. I'm losing a lot of weight. I gotta buy different pants. Make sure to buy your Pool RXs. If you use my link in the description, it really helps me out. Okay. Huh. Well, okay. There has been knob twisting. Well, okay. The angry Poolman knows all and sees all. All right, here we go. Okay, we're here at the Beachside Beauty, and we've already taken our chems, and I love this. If I could have every one of my pools look like this every week, that would be a wonderful thing. Our salt range was 34 to 3,000 parts per million. Yeah, and I remember distinctly turning this salt cell. I think it's at 60%. So once again, this is a Jandy system, Aqua Pure, or whatever they call it. But yeah, obviously it's producing plenty of chemicals. So we're just gonna clean it up. It's already chemmed up. We're gonna brush. Okay. I feel good about this, however, I wanna apologize. I did not put on the helmet cam. Yeah, I got a phone call from Maggie the Boxer's mom, warning me of the impending insects at that account. So sorry once again for not giving you that ASMR that you so desperately crave, but we can move on. What's the problem? Your mom called me all in a panic. What's happened? I thought you ate a bug. She said that there was a lot of bugs. Okay, well, pool looks pretty good to me. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how many years she's lived here, but that's the exact what we had last week. Yeah, it looks like coffee grounds. There's that many bugs. The title of last week's video was, is there an entomologist in the house? And, you know, it doesn't really matter if there is. There's a lot of bugs. Oh wow, you can really see it here, but that's okay. We're gonna do our tile soap trick. Use our ethylene glycol in our tile soap, and we're gonna kibitz with Maggie here just for a little while. But first, let's take our chems. Okay, here are our chemicals. So Maggie has definitely been swimming. Low chlorine, high pH, perfect alkalinity, and high cyanuric. So we're gonna just add liquid here. I actually see a tiny bit of algae on the stairs. Now, under normal circumstances, I would just drop what I'm doing like I was supposed to at the long lap pool yesterday and perform a filter clean immediately. Unfortunately, yesterday I had to get back home, and today I also have to get the corgis to grooming. So, you know, we have 3 pools today, so that's all we got. But yeah, I'll definitely be doing a filter clean next week here. The water still looks good, but it has been about 4 months. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I can really appreciate the customer is so conscientious, but this was exactly what we had going last week. She must have just not come out here last week, because the bugs, if you check the video, is every bit as nasty. I mean, did you see? Now, there was a lot of bugs on the surface of the pool, but did you see how well the skimmer is working? And of course, I'm operating here, and I do it with the opposite as well. Usually I go this way around the pool, but today, since we're gonna try to get everything into the skimmer, like, did you see how well the skimmer was working? And that's because of the pool, the vortices, right? We have a return line there, we have a return line over by the stairs. And see, this is a treacherous one here too, and this is, you know, testament to the age of the pool. They would never build a pool like this, where you're spraying the return line onto the stairs here. Like, yeah, I get it, but they would have put the skimmer in a different place, maybe in the middle over near the cleaner port. Anyway, you know, just, and there's all kinds of people who, yeah, look at the skimmer action right now. Boom, 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 boom. Anyway, but all the insects went in. The leaf did not, because, oh, whatever, the leaf's heavier. But yeah, that's why all of the skimmer looks like it does, is because of all these little teensy weensy bugs. So I'm gonna make sure I spend a good amount of time here, so my homeowner feels like she's getting value for money. And now, I cannot control the bugs. They might come back in 20 minutes after I leave. Anyway, homeowner is so funny. She made me think like there was something drastically wrong with the pool. And yeah, that's, you know, check that out. It's still covered in the thing. So that's what we're gonna do, is we'll squirt it off with our hose. Oh, but that's so far away. Oh my. Yeah, I don't want to do that, but we'll kill the pump. We'll take out our pump basket. Make sure to always have your Pool RX. Make sure it's clean. How you doing? Are you enjoying? I hope that you didn't swim with all those nasty insects, did you? Well, say hi to Della Creme Della, and then we'll be moving on here. Guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you have something to say. You guys, I'm the Angry Pool Man. I'm out here working for you guys in the field. Please be excellent to each other, and I will see you on the next video. And I wanted to say something about maybe something we should be doing here in the future. Like I was talking about to our gentleman who called me this morning, maybe we're gonna do a live stream. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna set that up, and then you guys can just, you know, for an hour or two, however long we do it, you guys just ask questions, ask away. We can look at your photos. You know, I think that really might help out and provide more value. So like I said, we're here just to teach you how to treat your pool and how to treat your pool man. So you guys, once again, be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.